welcome back to Campbell's Freedom Farm. Well, today we're picking eggplant out of our garden. They're all ready. And a lot of people just make eggplant parmigiano or different dishes, but I think curries are really good with eggplant. So we're gonna take just 2 of these and we're gonna let the rest grow, and then maybe somebody else will make the eggplant parmigiano. Okay, we have one of the eggplants chopped up and we're just doing the small little squares. And then we're gonna chop up the second one and we're gonna saute eggplant first, because if it doesn't cook enough, it's really bitter. Actually, it's nasty. I did that once, it was horrible. So we're just gonna go ahead and cut this up and do the same thing, and then we're gonna saute it in some olive oil. Okay, so the eggplant's been sauteing maybe for 5 or 6 minutes. I have a whole white onion in here and then a whole clove of garlic that I have chopped up that I'm gonna throw in here now to saute. And let's talk spices. So I got the spices all together. I have 1 bay in here, and then I have about 4 of the curry leaves. And the curry leaves actually add flavor. And then I have some cumin, about 2 teaspoons of each. But I have a little pinch of paprika, cumin, and turmeric. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this in now too while it's sauteing, so it gets all the flavors. And then I'm gonna add salt, and I'm gonna let this saute for a minute. Okay, and we're gonna chop up some cilantro from the garden as well. And it's so much better when it's fresh. Although right now it's getting harder because it's trying to die. Okay. So a lot of people throw the basil seeds away, but they're actually really good. And all you do is just go like this, take it off, and it really adds a lot of flavor. Okay, we're using a can of tomatoes because we've used our tomatoes outside for tomato sandwiches, and we have the little ones that we're gonna make something else with. So we're gonna use canned. So we're gonna stir this, and then let's talk the coconut milk. You need to get a coconut milk that's full fat and it's thick, not the one that's all watered down. It's disgusting. So we're gonna add this in here. All right, I had to go to the store actually and get coconut milk because that one was bad. So this is what it's supposed to look like. Really thick and really just creamy, almost like, well, cream, I guess like ice cream. So I'm gonna put this right in. And then since it sat so long to cook, actually this should be done in like 10 minutes. But the next thing that I do want to add is I want to add a pepper. So we have our pepper from the garden outside. And just add however much you want. So I'll cut this up, throw this in, let this sit for 10 minutes. And then I'm going to go ahead and cook some naan. Sometimes I like the frozen naan from Trader Joe's, or just, you can make it homemade too. We've done that as well. So just saute it in, cook in some olive oil and then cut it up. So I'll see you soon.
Hi, I'm Stefan. You make the curry. I taste that in it, and it might be good. Curry is one of my favorites. The 2 types, the one smaller bowl and one bigger bowl. The one for her, the one for me.
Okay, you can do naan. Today we just wanted naan, but also for leftovers, you can make some rice and put it in there.
Yeah, you can. With the naan, if you need more.
Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
And I would have actually rather had it be a little bit more spicy, but you can add more spice for yourself. All right, well, please subscribe, like, and share, and use your eggplant. Thumbs up.